day 10 of my high frequency GRE vocabulary series. If you are ready to boost your GRE vocabulary, you are absolutely in the right spot. Today we are diving into 3 keywords that will supercharge your GRE preparation, and those words are Kindle, noxious and talisman. I'll break down each word, explore its meaning, then show you how it's used in sentences, then apply all 3 keywords in a short passage that represents a real life scenario so that you will remember them deeply for life. So stay with me until the end to fully master these words. Ready to get started? Let's jump into our first word, and that is Kindle. Kindle means to start a fire or to excite interest, feelings, curiosity and enthusiasm in someone. For instance, the exciting news kindled enthusiasm in the whole team, or he kindled the fire with dry leaves. Next word is noxious. Noxious means harmful or poisonous. For instance, they removed the noxious plant from the garden, or the noxious gas made everyone cough. And the last word is talisman. Talisman means a special object like a ring or stone that people believe brings good luck and has magical powers. For instance, he wore a talisman for good luck, or they believe the talisman can bring success. And that's all for the words and their sentences. For the short passage, please visit the link in the description box where you can download it. And that's a wrap for today. We have covered Kindle, noxious and talisman, exploring their meanings and their real life usage. I hope these words are now crystal clear to you and ready to use. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more GRE tips. And ring the bell so you never miss any update. Anyway, stay blessed and stay tuned for next video.